found this Donald. As you can see, it's a factory error. Trying to fix some models. Here is Douglas 2007. So I already changed the code. Was kind of a little noisy, but I just discovered this one is actually a factory error, but works. And I just want to make a quick video about this product sent by companies, Risman. So pretty soon I'm gonna make a video. It's a memory foam set cushion. It should be nice if you spend a lot of time in the office. This is from another Amazon seller, adjustable shower rod. Check the link in the description. These are for showers. Here is another one. I will do my best to post some videos soon. Shout out to EBL Batteries for sending me these products too. You already seen this product on previous videos, and the charger and batteries, everything is awesome. Another two products sent by another company. These are Apple Fine compatible. The first one is smart card wallet, magnetic, very nice product. And this one also smart passport holder. Check the link in the description for all these products, so you don't want to miss that. And I will post a video pretty soon of each product. I have other products that I have no time to even I'm very busy. But thank you to all those companies for sending me the free products. So I will post some videos for review soon. Now back to fix and repair Donald and Douglas. So I'm gonna leave this thing like that. I'm not gonna change anything. Also shout out to this company for sending me this amazing product. So you can remove all the dust from your engines. So check the link in the description for every single item. That one was kind of a little noisy. I just replaced the code, but as you can see, it's kind of fast. Not bad. Nice. Perfect. And this one I just replaced the motor cog, and it's very nice, smooth, quiet. Only thing is missing is one side rod. Now what about the tenders? These are Hit Toy Company 2007. I know I have some, but I don't know where. And I think they're missing the decals. That task is gonna take me a lot of time to find it. Yeah, I know for sure somewhere, but I don't remember which box. What is this? Maybe in that box over there. Oh man, it's going to take me forever. Where are you? Where are you? Not in here. What is that? Oliver's? No. Ooh la la, I found them. I found two. And what is that? Hold on. Oh, right here is another one. What is this? Oh, jack. Nice. I'm gonna put this for sale too. Oh, there's another jack over here too. That's two jacks. I thought I had another jack somewhere. Now the problem here is that the number 10 is Mattel, and this is 2007 Hit Toy Company right here, but both are Donald's tender. Anyways, I can, yeah, I'm gonna, this I don't like it, so I'm gonna put some new ones. This one works. Yeah, it works. As well this one too. Nice. The next step, do not try this at home unless you are an adult or under adult supervision. Very hard and dangerous. Yeah, I like when an idea works perfectly. Now, since they are very filthy, I'm gonna give them a proper wash and remove the glue. All right, looking nice. Good news, I found the packet of decals. The bad news is I no longer can make the decals. My machine broke down, so I stopped making the decals for sale a long time ago. So anyways, that fits perfect. Number 10, good. Now I don't know why, but these 2007 are getting very expensive on eBay. Searching for Donald and Douglas on eBay, but it seems that I cannot find a single one. The only thing I find is are those they call it knockoff Donald Douglas, and here is one for $159, $160 for Donald Douglas. Is this because this is the 2007 models? Let me know in the comments. So I'm gonna post a few more models today. If you're watching this video, this one is chipped corner, has chipped corner, but works good. You might be wondering what's this. We got some free tickets. Free tickets for Summit Motorsports.